Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to keep your Mazda Axela running in top condition. Whether you own the hatchback or sedan variant, proper maintenance ensures your car remains reliable and efficient. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about engine care. Regular oil changes are crucial. For the Mazda Axela, use high-quality synthetic oil and change it every 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers, depending on your driving conditions. Don't forget to check the oil level weekly. Also, inspect your air filter every 10,000 kilometers. A clean air filter improves fuel efficiency and performance. Replace it if you notice it's dirty. Now, let's move to tire maintenance. Keep your tires properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, which you can find in your owner's manual or on the driver's side door frame. Rotate your tires every 10,000 kilometers to ensure even wear. Don't forget to check the tread depth regularly. Worn-out tires can compromise safety. Replace them when the tread depth is below 1.6 millimeters. Your safety depends on the braking system. Have your brake pads and discs inspected every 20,000 kilometers or if you hear unusual noises while braking. Always use Mazda-approved brake fluids for optimal performance. Maintaining your car's exterior and interior is just as important. Wash your Mazda Axela regularly to protect the paint. Apply wax every 3 months to keep it shining. Inside, vacuum the carpets and use a microfiber cloth to clean the dashboard and screens. Lastly, follow the service schedule recommended in your owner's manual. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs. That's it for today's guide. With these tips, your Mazda Axela will stay in great shape for years to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car care tips. See you in the next video.